Hey everyone, and welcome back to my first video of 2026. You should be expecting more videos from me every Sunday moving forward. So I purchased these paints by Greenleaf and Blueberry. It's the Illusion collection, and I thought I would do a video on some color swatching. Real simple and easy, and hopefully a little bit of color therapy, if you will, because I don't know about you, but I have needed it lately. However, landscape paintings will be coming in the future, but for this video, we will just have fun with some color swatches because I love getting my hands on new paints and I absolutely love color swatching. It is the most therapeutic thing for me, besides, of course, painting trees. So for the colors, you've got that Russian green earth, the first color I laid down, and now the second color is phthalo green. And you can see my swatching here. This is a really great way to see how your paints granulate. If they do granulate, you'll just lay down a good amount of paint and you'll take some water and you'll just move that paint around, ideally getting lighter washes and more concentrated areas of your pigment. The next color is Yucatan Mayan blue. This is such a beautiful blue. And if you want to know more about these paints, I will list it in the description as far as their website, and you can read up on them. They're quite expensive though, be warned. I purchased this at Christmas time for myself. It was a treat. Otherwise, I would have to save my money because they are not cheap, and especially these days, we have to make sure we really love what we're going to purchase because, well, obvious reasons. The next color is Smalt. This is probably one of my favorite colors in the whole palette. As you add more water, it granulates beautifully, and you can see it start to change a little bit. It has some different hues underneath it, so that's quite fun. The next one is Phthalo Cyan, another lovely color. And the paper I'm using, I'll link it in the description, but it is just this cotton paper, and it's been great for color swatching. Of course, you're going to get different effects depending on the paper that you use. And the next color is Indanthrone Blue, which is quite lovely. But let me know in the comments below, have you been playing with any new paints lately, and what have you been painting lately? I'm kind of curious how your 2026 has been. And the violet is called dioxazine violet. I think I've messed that up, but it's all good. And then we'll have Castle Brown. This one tends to shoot across the page. That typically happens with a lot of browns, I find. And we have Chromite, which is lovely. But I've been having a lot of creative fun when it comes to different ways of color swatching, and this has been really great to try to connect them and blend them together and see how they do. And we have Magnetite. This one granulates quite strong. And these are mineral pigments, so they do act a bit differently than your big brand pigments. And the next one is Vine Charcoal, and then the last one is Lamp Black. But yeah, it's a very short video. I just wanted to get it out there. I got these paints a while ago and did this video a while ago, and then realized I lost all the footage, so I decided to redo it again. But anyway, I hope you are finding the time to paint in the new year. I know it's already March. I can't believe it. But yeah, let me know in the comments below. Be sure to sign up for my newsletter to stay up to date on what's been going on behind the scenes. And you can sign up at jackiepeacock.com, and of course look at the description in below for any links to take you there. But I wish you all well, happy painting, and be sure to turn on your notifications and subscribe, and you can expect a video from me every Sunday. And of course, moving forward, we will do some more landscapes and techniques and some other things that I have in store. All right, everyone, take care, and I'll see you in my next video.